Hey there, it's Mr. Malte. This is going to be a quick video because this is a pretty simple lesson, even though we're going to use something you probably have never used, which is a Google Sheet. Sheets are really important in business, really important for doing budgets. They're awesome with numbers. They do a lot of the work for you. So they're a great thing to know about. And they're an awesome way to make graphs. So, graphs are things that represent data, sometimes with bar graphs, sometimes with pictographs. And today we're looking at pictographs, which is representing data, like information, numbers, with pictures. So let's get started. This is engaging students. You know the drill. We're going to classroom and we are getting the template that your teacher has put into classroom. Go into your Google Classroom, find the one that says pictographs or something like that, and your teacher has put in this one. It's slightly different. It's a Google Sheet. So go ahead and click on that, pause, come back when you have a sheet loaded, just like me. Ooh, timeline. Now you're back because you have this loaded, right? Right? Make sure you pause the video if you need to. I have a very big screen, but you might want to go to the little where it says 100% and look at the zoom and change it to 90 or 75 if you can't see all the pizza. If you can't see all the pizza, change it up, my friends. But if you can see it, don't worry about it. Otherwise, go to the little thing here and change it. I don't have to. Mine looks pretty good. Actually, I wonder if I change it to 90, if it would. That's smaller. I can make mine even bigger. So I've got some pizza here. Now, the first thing we need to do is you need to pause me in a second and you need to talk about what your favorite types of pizza are. I put just cheese, pepperoni, and other because there's so many different kinds. Someone might have some wild ones. I like ham and pineapple. I like pineapple and pizza. Anyone who says different is wrong. So I don't want to start a fight. So that's the first thing you need to do. You need to write on the board. The teacher's going to write cheese pizza, pepperoni, other, or you can decide as a class what you want. And then you're going to take a vote, right? You can only vote once. It's an important thing in democracy. You're going to vote one time for cheese, pepperoni, or another pizza. So let's discuss pizzas, which ones you love, which ones you hate. And you can then, your teacher will tally based on the number of hands that go up, how many for each category. And if your categories are different than my categories, you can go ahead and you can click on there and click again, click twice, and you can backspace and you can change this cheese to maybe Hawaiian. All right, 2 Y's? Is that just 1 I? I'm gonna keep cheese. And then, once you have your tallies, your tally marks, you can go ahead and change these numbers to reflect your class. Maybe in your class, 10 people in your class liked cheese pizza. See how that jumps up? And maybe 8 liked pepperoni. I don't know how many people in your class, but maybe you have 21 students, and that's what your graph's gonna look like. Pretty easy, right? Just click in here, change those numbers. You just have to click 2 times or go up to up the top bar up here where you can change that number. The other thing that you can do that's pretty awesome, so go ahead, change your numbers and your graph should look the same as people in your class. The other thing you can do is you can change this picture. It's actually really easy now to change these pictures. You just go to Insert and you go to Image in Cell. Come on, you. And you can go to the Google Images and search for cheese pizza or whichever pizza you chose. Oh, there's a gooey one. I like that one. Change that up. And when you change that picture, ooh, see, it changes all of my slices. You can change these if you like. I'm gonna try one more image. Image in Cell. Google Images. Cheese pizza. This time, watch. I'm gonna add PNG, and I hope that I get a transparent background image. That's not a cheese pizza. Don't you lie to me. Oh, let's go 1 slice. Single slice. There you go. Pizza by the slice. It's a me, Mr. Malte. Okay. So that's pretty simple. Now, down at the bottom, you see there are tabs, and you can go If you want to do this all again, we can do the same thing with cookies. So maybe you all hate ginger snaps. Again, I think you'd be wrong because that's one of my favorites. But you can go ahead and see which ones you like. Maybe you're a fan of the store-bought Oreo as opposed to Grandma's chocolate chip. I think that's probably a better choice. But you can change these. Again, you're going to do a tally. And whoop. I put it out of 15, not 10. Go ahead and fill in those little numbers. You can change the picture if you really want to. And just remember, when you change these numbers, it changes. Now, if it ever doesn't work, see up here, there is a formula that's making all this magic happen. So what you can do is if, let's say here, I'll make this 15. There's a little troubleshooting for you. See how it's not working? If I go to the one that is working and I drag the little blue handle down, it'll copy that formula into the next cell and fix that. So that's the troubleshooting fix. If you have more than 15 who like something, well, you'll have to figure out how that's going to work. You're going to add some cells and copy the formula. Woo! Good luck with that. I'm not telling you how. Figure it out. Okay. Have fun with your graphing. You're awesome. Take care.